Mastering English Idioms, led by the nose. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, led by the nose. This idiom can be both puzzling and amusing for English learners. So let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Led by the nose is an idiom that means being controlled or dominated by someone else. It paints a picture of someone having such control over another that they could lead them around just by their nose, much like one might lead an animal. Historical background. This phrase has a fascinating historical origin. It's believed to have medieval roots, where animals like oxen were controlled by ropes tied to their noses. By understanding this imagery, you can better grasp the idiom's meaning. Modern usage. In modern times, it's used metaphorically to describe situations where a person is being manipulated or overly influenced by someone else. It's often used in a slightly humorous or ironic sense. To fully understand, led by the nose, let's see it in action. 1. In personal relationships, ever since they started dating, Alex has been led by the nose. He does whatever Jamie wants. 2. In work environments, the new manager is so persuasive that the entire team is led by the nose, never questioning his decisions. 3. In politics, the citizens felt they were being led by the nose by the government's strict policies. Each of these examples showcases how the phrase can be applied in different contexts, emphasizing the aspect of control and influence. When using led by the nose, keep in mind, context is key. It's usually used in informal settings. Be mindful of the context and the audience. Tone of voice. Your tone can convey whether you're using the phrase humorously, critically, or sympathetically. Non-literal meaning. Remember, it's a metaphor. There's no actual letting by the nose happening. That's all about led by the nose. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this quirky English idiom. Use it wisely in your conversations, and have fun exploring more idiomatic expressions. Until next time, keep learning and keep smiling.